Hi there, Philomaths. If you don't know what a Philomath is a lover of learning and studying. Welcome to my channel. My name is Daphne, and I am so excited about this video because I'm going to share how I create my academic planner. I have two calendars I create on my Notion account. One is what I call my hustle planner, where I plan all of my high achieving life goals. I post these on my alternate channel, Free Spirit Fun Lifestyle. So if you want to check that out, I will leave a link to my alternate channel in the description box below. And my academic planner is where I jot down everything I need to know for school so I can have a successful semester. This includes due dates for assignments such as essays, exams, and anything else that must be submitted. It also includes dates indicating when I need to have something done prior to class, such as a worksheet completed or a reading assignment completed before class. And I also log on certain days when I should study for an exam. So all of this helps me determine my priorities for each assignment and each class, and it lets me know what I need to do each day so I can keep up with everything and not get behind on my assignments. So this is my academic planner page. As you can see, I've already typed out the first 5 months. And I turned the first month into a page already, so I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to choose an icon. And I think I'm going to do a zodiac theme for this academic year. And then I'm just going to click on the page and enter. And then I'm going to add a quote or affirmation. For this one, I'm going to put "You are an A+ student," so I can kind of sort of give myself a vision quote, if you will, and keep me focused. I'm going to turn that into heading 3. And then I'm going to hit slash, and I'm going to type in table, click table, and then you want 7 rows across because you want it to look like a real calendar. 7, okay. And then you want several rows going down because you need to put in the dates, and then you need room for your assignments. So I'm not real sure how many down, but we'll start with that. And then you want to type in the day. So you want to type in the day. I use the calendar on this computer. You just click the date and then you look at the date for that month. So Sunday starts on the 1st. Easy enough. So then you type in Sunday. And then you type in the date. You can put in the year if you want. And then also it needs to be full width so everything can fit properly. Okay, so it should look like this. And I like to color the top where the dates are. So I can do like a green background color by clicking these ellipses on the side. Click color, go down to green background, and you can change the background color. Okay, one more. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like. And I'm going to add some examples of due dates. So for instance, if I have, an essay due, let's say January 31st, I'll put essay due, all caps, or essay one due if I have more than one, and then I'll highlight it, and then I'll put due dates in red and bold it so I can see it better. And then if I have like a reading assignment, I'll just put whatever the reading assignment is. So for instance, if I'll just make up a name, if it's called The Jungle, Chapter 1, and I need to finish it by, let's say, Thursday, I'll bold it, write it in and bold it, and then I will have to designate something like read, 5 pages, The Jungle. And that way I can get everything. I may have to put it under several days. And that way I'm finished reading it by Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday, whenever the due date is. If I can get it done earlier, I will. So this is kind of how I do my academic planner. I may change some things or add some things, but I definitely have stuck with the red color for due dates. And so, yeah, my color coding may change a little bit. I don't like to use too much color because if I color code everything, then green may represent too many things on my Notion page. So I like to keep it pretty simple if I can. So yeah, this is my academic planner. I'm going to go ahead and actually erase that because that was just an example. Okay. And the calendar will move out if you type long, as you probably saw. So as you can see, it's moving outward, so you don't have a weird alignment. So I would use the calendar option on Notion, but for instance, if I put in read 5 pages of book, on this template, I can highlight it and strike through, whereas on the calendar, I cannot. So that's why I use this template, because it's a little bit more functional and I can do more things with it. Why I use So that's why I use this option. So yeah, that's my academic calendar, or my academic planner. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it gave you some inspiration or insight into how you can use something like this for your classes this coming semester. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, comment below, and as always, if you want to know more, subscribe.